Iniurong sa December 30 ang adjournment ng Kongreso para magkaroon ng sapat na oras na mapag-aralan ang mahigit 6 na trilyong pisong pondo para sa susunod na taon. Nakatutok si Ian Cruz.
Upang magkaroon ng sapat na panahon para maayos na maipasa sa oras ang 6.793 trillion pesos na 2026 national budget. Inamyendahan ng Kamara at Senado ang kanilang legislative calendar at inextend ito ng 1 linggo. Kaya ang dapat na adjournment ng Kongreso bukas, December 23, iniurong sa December 30. Ang last session day na ng Kongreso magiging December 29 kung kailan inaasahang maratipikahan ang Bicameral Conference Committee report sa General Appropriations Bill.
The ratification of the said Conference Committee report is imperative to ensure the continuity of government operations and the faithful implementation of the national budget for the ensuing fiscal year.
Ang dagdag na oras gagamitin para maaral mabuti ng mga mambabatas ang ipapasang budget. Idiniin sa Senado na kailangang matiyak na walang mababago sa bersyong inaprubahan ng Bicameral Conference Committee.
Whether we like it or not, maybe in the past, maraming singit, yung na-approve na sa BICAM report, napapalitan pa sa enrollment of bill na hindi dapat tama yun, Mr. President. So, just to allow our colleagues to be able to study and make sure that the Bicameral Conference Committee report is exactly was approved.
A faithful reproduction
Faithful
of what the
reproduction.
BICAM approved.
Walang
Yes.
singit, walang insertion, Mr.
Yes.
President.
Ayon kay Senate President Vicente Soto III, nakamonitor naman ang ehekutibo sa bawat hakbang ng budget, kaya maaari pa rin daw itong mapirmahan ng Pangulo bago matapos ang 2025. Pero kung hindi man daw, maaari pa rin daw itong mapirmahan ng Pangulo sa unang linggo ng 2026.
If they have started reviewing it from now up to that time, there is a possibility, but I doubt it. I doubt it. Perhaps somewhere like sometime like first week of January would be ideal na na-review na nila yun.
So possible reenacted for a few days, ganun?
Yeah. Kung ganun lang naman, wala problema because di ba the last time, pa kaming 3 months na reenacted.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Ian Cruz, nakatutok, 24 oras.